After building your brand new mini PC, plugging it in, and powering it on, you'll notice it's not ready for gaming or work just yet. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installing an operating system to get your custom-built mini PC up and running. To get started, you only need two things: a second computer laptop or desktop, a USB flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes of space. We're going to create a bootable USB drive with Windows 11 on it. Then we'll plug it into the new PC and install Windows. On this page, select the second one, create Windows installation media, and click Download Now.
Open the media creation tool you just downloaded. Make sure to plug in your USB flash drive.
Choose your preferred language and click Next. On the next screen, select USB flash drive and click Next. Select your USB drive from the list and click Next. Now, sit back and relax. This process will take a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll have a bootable USB with Windows 11 ready to go.
Now move to your new PC, plug the USB into a rear port and power on the computer. In most cases, your PC will automatically boot from the USB and display the Windows 11 installation screen. If it doesn't, restart your PC. Press the Delete or F12 key, depending on your motherboard, to enter the BIOS. Look for the boot override option and select your USB drive. Choose your language and click Next. Click Install. Now, if you have a product key, enter it here. If not, click I don't have a product key. You can still use Windows for free with a small watermark in the corner. Select the version of Windows 11 you want to install. Windows 11 Pro is recommended. Choose Custom Installation for a clean setup. Select it, click Next, and let Windows install itself. The process may restart your PC a couple of times. Once installation is complete, you'll be guided through the final setup process. Choose your region, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in to your Microsoft account if you have one. Set up a PIN and adjust any other settings to your preference. And that's it. You're now on your Windows 11 desktop.